Hi! In front of me is Asus ROG Phone 6D, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple layout on this Android. Firstly, just open Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in iOS Launcher. Following that, you need to get this app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. In order to use it, choose while using and allow in the pop-ups. Then go into Devices settings. In them, select Apps and Notifications. Tap on Default Apps, Home App, and finally iOS Launcher. Lastly, click on OK and tap on Got it. So when I do that, as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Asus. If you wish to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by going back to Default App Settings and tapping on Asus Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!